What's going on, everybody? If you have a 2017 or around that year Dodge Durango RT and possibly the V6 models as well, if you're looking to replace your radiator cap, the part number is right there. 5202897-4AA. I'll put a link down below where you can get it, because radiator caps don't last forever. You know, they have a spring that holds them in place. This one is an 18 PSI cap, but the spring does not spring forever. So, you know, if you're getting a little bit of leakage, or if you're noticing maybe some temperature increases, you know, on your gauges, it's possible you just might need to replace the cap. I'll put a link down below where you can get it on Amazon. But if you were just curious, that's where you see the part number right there. Check out other videos. We got all kinds of cool stuff about this car and all kinds of cars, dirt bikes, motorcycles, Harleys, all kinds of cool things that might help you fix problems of your vehicles or around the house as well. So check it out. You'll have a great day. We'll see you later.